Hello guys, welcome to Prof1YT channel. So with this video I'm going to teach you how you can use the Casio calculator to solve for differentiation. Differentiation. So now before I start this video I'm giving some exception. Now we can use the calculator to solve for differentiation, but with the transcendental functions you can't use the calculator, which is the cos, the tan and the sine. So you must know that when you differentiate cos you're going to get negative sine, and when you differentiate sine you're going to get cos, and when you differentiate tan you're going to get sec squared. So with that, the calculator can't use the manipulation to solve for it. But apart from that, any question without the transcendental functions you can use the calculator, and I'm proud to teach you how you can use it. So let's start with the first one. We are going to start with the one involving x, right? We have the x, the natural logarithm and the exponential. So let's go to the x. With the x, now with this question, differentiate y is equal to x exponent 4. So this is like an examination question and we're supposed to differentiate this and we should find the answer. Well, maybe I've forgotten how to differentiate, but I have my calculator. Then my calculator can help me do that. So take your calculator, let's go. First thing you need to do is that you're going to press what? Shift, and you press this key. So when you press shift and this key, this will come on the calculator. This is going to appear on the calculator. What this one means is that when you put the question given to you here and you choose a value for x, it's going to give you an answer. Then you're going to use that value that you chose for x to test for your answer here. So let's do it for you to know what I'm trying to say. So now for you to input this inside, you're going to press what? Alpha plus x on the calculator. Then you go to exponential. So with this, the exponential is 2, so I'm going to clean it and do what? Use 4. So exponential 4. Then what to do now is that I'm going to choose a value for x that when after differentiating and you put a value inside you're going to get. So the value I'm going to choose is what? 2. Then I press equal to. The answer that I had was 32. It means that when I put 2 into any of these answers given to me, I should get 32. So what I do now is that I keep these two values, that x is 2 and the answer I had was what? 32. Then you go back. Then you take your questions or the answers provided to test for. Now mostly in math questions they'll never put the answer in A, so you either choose C or D. So let's choose D to see whether it's correct. So you choose D, which is 4 exponent 4. So 4. Now x, now we chose x to be 2, so you put 2 here. Then exponent 4, you put 4 on top and you press what? Equal to. The answer is 64, but if you remember what you had was 32. That means that D is not the answer. Then you go back, you clear it. Let's choose C. C is 4x. X is now 2, so let's put 2. And exponent 3, so let's do 3. Then you press equal to. We had 32. It means that the answer is C. Confirm with the calculator. Now let's do real. When you are differentiating this, you're going to bring the 4 in front and subtract 1 from the exponent. So you're going to get 4x cubed, which is C. Confirm with the calculator. Very simple. Now let's move on to the next one, which involve different things. So with this, when it is product rule, quotient rule, you just test it only if there are no transcendental functions inside. Just test it with your calculator with this. Now let's go to this. The next one is the natural logarithm. Now the natural log also, you can use the calculator to verify your answer. So now we know that the answer is this. This is the answer for this, because with the natural logarithm you're going to differentiate the one inside and divide by the function, right? Yes, please make sure that you listen to what I'm about to say here, because with the natural logarithm most people make mistake and they are not able to get the answer because of the bracket. So let's go. You press shift plus the same key, you get this. So you're going to put in the natural log inside. So you press log here. Now if you can see, they gave you 2 brackets, right? And there's another bracket here. So let's see, let's put a function inside. 3 alpha plus x plus 2 alpha plus x exponent 2. So this is the function that was given to us for us to differentiate. Now let's look at something. Now the bracket here is 3, 1, 2, 3. So before you move on to the next one, you need to add another bracket, which is this. Don't forget to add another bracket, otherwise you don't get the answer. Then you move. You choose the value for x. So we are choosing our value for x to be 2, right? Then you press equal to. We had 0.7857. It means that when you put 2 inside the answer, we should get 0.785. Let's see whether it is correct. So you go back, let's test. So you bring your this one. So it is 3 plus 4. We choose our x to be 2, then you close it. Then you come down and you come and write 3 into bracket 2, you close it, plus 2, and our x is 2, so 2, and it's with an exponent 2. Now let's check our answer. Then when you do that, you see our answer is corresponding, that you're going to get 0.78571. It means that our answer is correct. So when it's involved in logarithm, that's natural logarithm, please make sure you make the bracket what? 4. If you make it 3 and you put a value, it'll tell you mass error. So you try making it 4, right? I know you do that. Then let's move on to the last one I'm going to talk about, which is the exponential. So with the exponential too, when they give an exponential question like this for you to differentiate, you differentiate the exponent, bring it in front, then you take the whole function. So that's why we had 2e exponent 2x. Let's confirm that with the calculator. So then you press what? Shift and this, you have this. Now let's put the exponential there. So you're going to write shift plus this, going to give you the exponential. Then you put your value inside, that is 2 alpha plus x. So we get this. Then you choose your value for x. My value for x always I choose 2. Because 2 is now, it's one of the best. Like if you choose 2, you try to get all your answer correct. You don't choose any number that will make you very complex. So you choose 2. Then we had what? When you chose 2, you had 109.19. It means that when you put 2 in the answer, they can give you answer A, B, C, D. So when you choose 2 in the answers, it should give you to correspond with the 1 on the calculator. So you keep the 109 and also the 2. Now let's move on. Let's take the answer 2 alpha plus e, and you put 2, and we chose our x to be what? 2. So you put 2 inside the bracket, then you press equal to. You can see that it's giving you the same answer. That means that you've confirmed that the answer is correct. So with the natural logarithm, with the x values, and with the e exponential here, you can use your calculator to solve when it is even quotient, when it is product rule, even the chain rule, and it involves these 3. You can use the calculator, but you cannot use the calculator to solve for when it's involved the transcendental function, which is the cos, sine, and the tan. So you must make sure of that. Yes, so this is what I want to show you, so you can keep on practicing, right? Yes. Now this calculator, if you want me to show you how I did this or I installed this on my laptop, you can just comment on the comment section for me to do that. So I'm planning on releasing another video on how to use the calculator to solve for integration, right? So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you like the video. Please like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.